GalileoSky terminals can be controlled by SMS commands. Each executed command is confirmed by the reply. Before sending the SMS command, add your phone number to the list of the authorized phones. All in all, you can add 4 phone numbers. Here you can also change password for the phone authorization. Apply settings to a terminal. You can also add phone number by add phone SMS command, sent from your phone number. Password for the phone authorization is specified as parameters. In reply to the send command, you will get the SMS confirmation about its execution. Phone number will be added to the free cell of the terminal. After adding phone number, you can start executing information commands, for example, status command, IMEI command, stat all command. Each of the mentioned commands sends back information about the terminal. You can change current settings of a terminal by SMS commands. For example, name and port of a monitoring server, or add changes to the main packet by main pack bit command. You can find the complete list of commands in the user's manual of the terminal. You can download the user's manual of the terminal from website of our company.